Hey man, did you notice how many times that server said swell to us tonight? Have a swell evening. You boys look mighty swell tonight. I think she was flirting with us. Was she flirting with us? Nah, fuck it, she wasn't flirting with us. But I mean, in a span of 2 minutes, how can you say the word swell that many times, right? Ah, forget about it. Good pizza, eh?
Yeah, it's good pizza, you know. Just wish I got the slice I ordered. Asked for a Hawaiian, they gave me this pepperoni.
Seriously?
Yeah, but I don't really care. Should I take it back, though?
Yeah, you should bring it back.
Think they'll do it?
Probably.
Hey! Son of a bitch!
Fucking guy.
Bet that's gonna swell.
Good one. It's getting cold out, huh?
Yeah. Should we get going?
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Let's do it. You like Red Bull vodkas?
Sure?
You don't sound so sure.
Well, I was thinking, have I had one before? I didn't know.
Have you had one?
Maybe. I don't remember.
All right.
Is this considered a roundabout?
No.
No?
I think so. I mean, you can go around.
So why isn't it a roundabout? Can you go that way?
You could, yeah.
Oh yeah, it just says yield.
Yeah,
So it is a roundabout.
I guess.
Totally.
It's not a roundabout, though.
Ah, whatever.
But you can go around.
Sounds like a roundabout.
Like, you know, maybe. Not what I would traditionally call a roundabout.
I constantly keep saying to people that I want to just become a surfer bum. Just kind of get away and live on the beach, live a chilled lifestyle. I just love the feeling that you're just kind of flowing in this balanced position. You're almost like really one with yourself. But I think that'd be great. Like, fuck, just
Living on the beach.
freaking living on the beach.
So picture this. Vendor Fest.
Vendor Fest.
Yeah. So like vendors come and it's vendors only. You set up your booth and you just walk around and you hang out with the other vendors.
And is it just the vendors that are working at that one, or can it be people who
Good question.
are, like, would be an employee of a...
I think maybe you have to be working.
Okay.
You have to be working.
Vendor Fest.
Yeah. There's only one rule at Vendor Fest. Do you know what it is?
No.
There are no rules.
Oh my god.
Thinking of getting a dog.
Are you?
Yeah, you know. Why the fuck not?
What kind of dog?
I like a bigger dog, like a German Shepherd or something. I like bigger dogs, you know, like dogs. I hate the fucking toy poodles or whatever. Not toy poodles, the tiny Shih Tzus.
Yeah, the ones you can
Yeah.
drag around.
I don't want a soccer ball sized dog. I want like a real dog sized dog.
You want a dog that it can tire you out. A dog that you can play with.
Yeah.
Take for jogs. Go swimming.
I just got to get a bigger apartment.
Cuddle.
I think. I mean, I got this tiny. Well, you see my place. It's
Yeah, it's pretty small.
I know. Be nice to come home to something, you know.
Yeah. I see that.
Maybe I could spread some peanut butter on my ass and get it to lick it off.
You know what? People do the things they do. Don't question it. That was a pretty good gig. Went well.
Yeah, no, it went really well. That was, one and done.
One and done.
Just like a bunch of the other ones.
Yep.
I love the easy ones. You know?
It's good to stretch the legs out.
No fuss, no muss.
When's our next one?
I think 2-3 weeks.
Right. Yeah, so Friday. Let's get that beer.
Yeah, that sounds swell.
You had to say it. Had to say it.
Yep.
Cool.
Yep. We'll see you later.
See you later, man.
See you later.